Are you planning for a short trip to Goa? For Christmas or for New Year? Or without a reason? Cause Goa trip doesn't need a reason. You can visit Goa for no reason at all. और प्लान नहीं भी किया तो कर लो यार. Cause today after watching this video, I am sure आपका भी गोवा आने का दिल होगा. So I recently visited Goa for a very small trip, and in this video I'll let you know things you can do now in Goa and some best places to stay in Goa and make your trip a memorable one. So without further ado, let's start the video. पहले तो आप बस या कार से जर्नी स्टार्ट कीजिए. Cause sudden plans हो तो ट्रेन या फ्लाइट is not a good option. And direct साउथ गोवा आ जाइए. हम पालोलीम बीच गए थे cause I love that beach. And हमने ये बीच फ्रंट कॉटेज लिया था. I'll share the details of the cottage in my video later. Let's check out the cottage now. After entering the cottage, there is a big sized bed. Quite spacious cottage it was. Then there is this AC. Ceiling fan was there. And that's the washroom. And this is the view from the room. Let's check the view from the balcony now. And the sound, yeah. I just love this cottage stay. Balcony में निकलो and beach सामने ही. Then you guys can change your clothes and get into the Goa vibes and can chill in the balcony for some time. And then comes the beach time. This is such a beautiful beach, guys. आप यहाँ आकर ही इस वाइब को फील कर सकते हैं. And the sound of the waves. Just amazing. After enjoying a lot in the beach, get back to your cottage. Have bath, get ready और lunch के लिए आप जा सकते हैं. Fisherman Restaurant and Bar. They serve the authentic Goan food there. This place was quite artistic and cozy, and the ambience too was nice there. And this is their authentic Goan fish thali. The food was really good over there. After having your lunch, you can visit that side of the beach where the famous shark stone was there and the monkey island as well. So, this is the famous shark stone of the Palolem beach. This place is very calm and beautiful. थोड़ा आगे जाके you will find this very beautiful place. Must click some beautiful pictures for your Instagram. And then you will get to see the monkey island. This is really a very beautiful place. आप पालोलेम बीच आए तो ये सब जरूर एक्सप्लोर करना. After spending a lot of time there, get back to your cottage and enjoy the sunset from the balcony. And then again get ready to see the nightlife in Palolem. The setups for candlelight dinner was so romantic. Everything was looking so beautiful. Live concerts are being played in some restaurants and the vibes were so good there. Even bonfire was arranged in one of the restaurants. You can also check out the Palolem market, which were not that crowded like the North Goan markets. Then for the dinner, go to Cupid Castle, a gentle restaurant. Love the food they served. Have your food, go back and sleep. क्योंकि पालोलेम बीच की सुबह बिल्कुल मिस नहीं की जा सकती. Such a peaceful and beautiful morning it was. It was just amazing. Can't put it in words. Then go for a short walk. That would be a good start to your second day in Goa. Now, this is the details and contact number of the cottage where I stayed. मैंने सिर्फ पालोलेम बीच के ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाया है. Check that to get more details about their other cottages and all the other things about पालोलेम बीच. फिर आप चाहे तो वहाँ और एक दिन रुक सकते हैं, but to get all the party Goan vibes, आप North Goa चले जाइए. Morning 7:30 around start your journey. And you will reach North Goa around 10:30 or 11 am. Now, I'll show you a beautiful stay in North Goa. I hope you're gonna love this place. So, ये हमारा stay है and the name of the place is Loretha and Polis Bar and Restaurant. Let's check out with the room now. As you enter the room, you will see a double-sized bed. It's very simple and like a homestay. And it's really very clean, just like your home. There is a cupboard. Then there is a refrigerator, which is a must when you are staying in Goa. Then there is AC, which works fine. And the room and everything is very clean. Now, let's check the view from the room. That view, man. Balcony से दिखाती हूँ मैं अच्छे से. But उससे पहले, let's check the washroom. Washroom was quite spacious. All the important amenities are there, and the main thing, cleanliness is up to the mark. Now the most beautiful thing about this place is the view from the balcony. So there is this sofa set in the balcony from where you can enjoy view of the beach from here. And check out this view, guys. इस व्यू के साथ तो मैं एक महीने रह सकती हूँ. And I'll never get bored out of it. Isn't it the best place to enjoy the view? Then get freshen up and get ready to enjoy the tastiest and authentic food of Goa. Don't forget to rent a bike or scooty, cause this gonna help your trip in Goa a easier one. This is the Chandrakanta Hotel in Candolim, which serves this best authentic Goan fish thali. The food they serve was fresh and yummy at the same time. Then you can visit Delfino's Mall in Candolim. And the collections they have were really good. So, whatever you will be needing to chill and relax, you can pick up from there and get back to your stay. For the evening snacks, you can come over to their own beach view restaurant. We have ordered prawns noodle and chicken salad. You guys can imagine enjoying the food in front of this view would be so amazing. You can surely try out their food. It was nice and delicious. So after enjoying your food there, go to the Kalingut beach. Kalingut beach is the most famous beach in North Goa, and this time crowd would be surely there as it's the main season to visit Goa. Stay there for some time and enjoy the beautiful sunset in the Kalingut beach. Then get back to your stay, freshen up and get yourself relaxed, enjoying your time in the balcony. The stay was so good that even they put seabed over there to enjoy food and view from there. Restaurant is downstairs, so you can order food and drinks and enjoy the shack vibes at your place only. So we ordered mackerel masala and chicken cheese spaghetti, which was really very yummy. After food, You can even enjoy their ice creams, which was good. About the stay, I have made a different video named Best Hotel with Beach View in Goa. You can surely check that video to know about the details and contact number of this place. Then you can go for a short walk in the beach. रात को बीच पे वॉक करने का मजा ही अलग है गाइस। यहाँ कुछ देर टाइम स्पेंड करके यू गो एंड स्लीप, कस सुबह उठना है एंड बहुत सारे प्लेसेस एक्सप्लोर करने हैं। Day 3 in Goa. The beautiful morning view from the balcony. कुछ देर इस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करके then get ready and wear something comfortable. And then leave for the Chapora Fort. Parking पे पहुंच के get yourself hydrated cause you have to climb a lot to see the Chapora Fort. While climbing, you'll get to see a lot of stuffs and you can collect some souvenirs to take back home. And the showpieces and idols were looking so beautiful. As you climb to the entrance of Chapora Fort, explore the areas of the fort. You'll get to enjoy some snacks, beverages over there. You will also get to see a lot of people clicking pictures and making videos. And this is the W Resort. And see the location and places it is surrounded by. This place is so beautiful and यहाँ पे pictures तो बहुत अच्छी आने वाली है. So you can surely click some good pictures as I did here. After spending some time here, आप जा सकते हैं अंजुना बीच एक्सप्लोर करने and also to have your breakfast there. And this is the beautiful Anjuna beach. Unfortunately, Curly's was closed, so we came at this restaurant for breakfast. Okay, the name of this restaurant is O'Manuel and it has this beautiful beachfront view. So, the breakfast is here. After enjoying the breakfast with the amazing view, you can explore this side of the Anjuna beach. You can enjoy a lot in the beach, make reels or click some pics. Cross some stones and come to this side and you will get to see how beautiful this place is. After spending some time here, go to a shack, change your clothes to enjoy your beach time. After enjoying a lot in the beach, it's time to go back. While going back, stop at any restaurant in Anjuna and have your lunch. After the lunch, come down from the stay which I had shown to enjoy the beautiful sunset. Our homestay is at a good place. Everything is accessible. You can surely check out with them. Then again get ready and leave for Baga Beach. Baga Beach की अलग ही vibes है guys. The beach restaurants, the music, the shacks, the tables for candlelight dinner. Everything was looking so good. You can have a romantic dinner with these vibes to relax the night, or there is another option. And that is, you can go clubbing to any of the clubs in Tito's Lane. Foot spa shops were there. You guys can also enjoy foot spa there. You can go to different clubs here. Maya is there. Tito's different clubs were there. As this is the last night in Goa, enjoy it like anything and go back home with a little hangover. After enjoying a lot, go back and sleep well, cause next day you have to travel. With this amazing view, I am wrapping up this video. I hope you guys like the video, and after seeing this video, I am sure आपको भी आने का दिल किया होगा. अगर ऐसा है, then do like, share and comment. Do subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Till then, take care, be safe, be protected and happy traveling.